What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Finally, today is the day that I'm gonna tint the windows for my car. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, this is my car. A lot of you guys have been asking me when I'm gonna tint my windows, so today I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna use a 20% tint. So I hope this is not too dark. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is what I got. I got it from AutoZone. This is a 20% and it's a 24-inch by 22 feet. So I hope this is enough for the whole car. Okay, my tool that I'm gonna use is a blade, squeegee, heat gun, the tint, and bottle, spray bottle with water and a little bit of dish soap. Okay. Inside, this is the hardest part. You need two squeegees, one to lift the rubber and the other one to tuck the tint inside. Okay, first one is done. You can see it here. But if you get the tint, I recommend you to get the Precut. It's less painful. But if you do it like this, it's not that easy, but you can do it too. Okay. After you do the tint, do not roll the window down for 2 days. Okay. So let's do the next one. Okay, now this one's finished. So I don't know if you can see it, any line like this, or how you can see it, like that one. And this one we're gonna get it with the heat gun. Okay, like this one too. So any like bubble like this, wrinkle, here's the, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so here's the onion for the, this is one piece and the other piece in the other side. It is super hard because on the bottom area of the window the space is like this. So for the tools you will need something like a squeegee but long, or something with a handle super long, because you can see here in this area I have a little bit of bubbles because I cannot reach over there. My hand doesn't fit in here in this area on the behind the light, the brake light. That's the hardest area. Or if you don't have the tool for this tight space, cut it like this. That way you don't have to have problems in this area. This one is super tight. It's like this space on your hand or my hand doesn't fit. Even the squeegee is super hard to put it inside. So you have like a tool, like a squeegee with a handle, those long squeegees, it's better. But if you don't have that, cut this thing for the brake light, like a oval thing. Cut it like this. That will give you too much problems. Okay. So other